All right, we're ready.
No. You're right here.
The wind, you guys. Is this necessary?
Go change.
Awful. No, that is not cute.
Yeah, go on.
I need someone to make me laugh.
Where's Kim? Kim is always late. Get out of our way. Stop. Jealous.
No.
Stop!
Enough.
That's it, we're done.
Money.
Kylie, can you come to the foyer? Is that a chicken?
Kylie is literally so dumb. Like, how did she think that pig was a chicken?
Sophie, I can't. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
Girls! I'm such a good momager. All my girls, I just love them all. But Kim makes the most money.
Next week on Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Breaking overnight, a pretty scary situation for reality star Kim Kardashian West. French police say she was robbed at gunpoint in her Paris hotel room. A spokesperson says that two men broke into her room, both dressed as police officers, and stole 2 cell phones and jewelry worth millions of dollars. Kardashian was not hurt. It's not clear if her kids were in the room with her when this all happened. Her husband, Kanye West, was in New York at the time performing at a concert. This is when he abruptly left that show, telling fans that he had a family emergency to take care of.